Hello all, welcome to my tech channel where boring tech is dead, and in this video I'm gonna say basic 15 projects that every EC student must be done. And note, every project in this video is budget friendly. So diving into today's video, I'm gonna say 15 basic projects using Arduino. For that, I'm gonna divide this video into three parts. First one is agriculture projects, second one is health monitoring, and third one is smart home projects. So our first topic is agriculture projects. For agriculture projects, we can use sensors like temperature sensor, which is used to measure temperature, and humidity sensor, soil sensor, rain detection sensor, which is a module basically used to detect rain. So our first project to do in agriculture is temperature and humidity monitoring. Components required for this is Arduino UNO, which cost around 600, and a DHT11 sensor module, which is required to sense temperature and humidity. It costs around 120 to 150, and an LCD display used for display readings cost around basically 150, and it varies from our requirements based on length. And a 10K potentiometer for LCD display contrast settings, and we require a two pack of male and female jumper wires, and it costs 10 rupees. And a USB cable is required to upload code into Arduino, and we need a breadboard for connection. A medium sized breadboard is enough for this project. And coming to next project is watering system. For this we require soil moisture sensor module, which cost around 50 to 180, and a 5-volt relay module, and it is used as an electrically control switch to on and off water pump. And the cost of the switch is 60 to 100 rupees, and we require a mini water pump used for watering plants, and a LCD display which shows real-time soil moisture readings and pump status, breadboard for connection during testing, and we require jumper wires for connections, and we require resistor and LED combination, and which is purely optional, and we require a plastic tube plus water container. It is a set, you can directly buy it. And enclosure or casing, it is basically used for neat finishing. It is optional, we can leave it. So this project cost is 1200 to 1500 rupees. And our third project is rain detection. Raindrop detection sensor module. It detects presence of raindrops or water on the surface, and it can give analog and digital output. And an LCD display for the status, and circuit require power supply of 5 volts, and this project can be done within 900 rupees only. And coming to last project in agricultural projects, soil moisture. A soil moisture sensor which costs 50 rupees, and we can use a capacity soil moisture sensor which is better option, and it costs 100 rupees. And LCD display showing status of soil moisture. The estimated cost of this project is 850 to 1000 rupees, and we can use all these sensors, that temperature, humidity, soil moisture, and rain detection, and make a one project, but it costs more than 1500. So these are all agriculture projects. So diving into next topic, health monitoring projects. In health monitoring projects, our first topic is heart rate monitoring project, and we require a heart rate sensor for heartbeat sensing, which is cost below 200 rupees. Or we can use advanced heart rate oximeter sensors, and cost around 600 to 900. And a LCD display for displaying BPM values, and breadboard jumper wires. This circuit requires a 5-volt power supply using adapter, and resistors and LEDs are optional. The estimated total is 1200 to 1400. Next topic is digital thermometer, and this project requires Arduino UNO and is temperature sensor DS18B20 digital thermometer sensor, and this sensor gives accurate values, and will digital output, and it costs 150 rupees. And LCD display is required for showing measured temperature values. Breadboard jumper wires are as usual, and this circuit also requires 5-volt power supply, and LEDs are purely optional, but if we include them it looks nice. The estimated cost is 900 to 1000 rupees for this. And our next section is smart home projects, and our first project, smart dustbin. When we require Arduino UNO, the sensors are required for this are HCSR04 ultrasonic sensor for detecting our hand, and SG940 micro servo for the rotation of dustbin. If we want, we can add a buzzer, and it is optional for us. It can work with 5 volt or 9 volt supply, and we need breadboard and jumper wires. And the cost of this project is 1000 to 1400 rupees. And next project is fire detection. It is a flame alarm project. This requires sensing flame. This project works by sensing flame through sensors and gave us warning. The sensors we used for this is flame sensors, which detects flame, and it is called flame sensor module. And we require a buzzer for warning sound and LED light for indication. The cost to build this project is 900 to 1000 rupees. And next project is smoke detection, smoke or gas detection. This project detects the leakage of gas and gives us alert signal. The sensor we use for this is MQ2 gas sensor for detecting smoke or LPG, and gas and buzzers and relays are used for alert signal. The estimated cost is 960 to 1400 rupees, and it is very useful project that we can apply it in our homes. And next project is temperature based fan control. And this project was sensing the temperature according to the weather and control the speed of fan. A temperature sensor is required, that is DHT11 or LM35, depends on your budget. And a one channel relay module 5 volt for controlling speed of fan. The cost of this project is 1000 to 1500 rupees. And next project is password door lock. It is a basic project where everyone of us has done it in school. For this, we require LCD display for sure to show prompt and status, and a 4 into 4 matrix keypad for password input, and a SG90 micro servo used for locking, and buzzer for tone where the lock is entered correctly or not. And the estimated cost is 100 to 1500. And next project is room light control, which is basically LDR based. For this, we require light sensing sensor LDR, and one channel relay module for switch clamp, and we need a bulb to execute project. The estimated cost is 900 to 1300, and this project work like LDR senses dark and turn on light. We can use this project in our home, and it is very helpful. And the last one of smart home projects are clap switch. It work on sound principle. We need a sound sensor module which detects claps, peak sound, and a one channel relay module for switching claps. And the cost to build this project is around 1000 to 1400. And another two projects which are not related to above categories. First one is IR object counter. It counts how many objects pass between receiver and sender. Mm, we can see this in shops, and for this we require IR emitter. It is a, a pair of IR sensor module, and display is needed to show the count of the objects. Buzzer is an option. The estimated total cost is 900 to 1300. And another project is obstacle detector. We use this type of detector in smart robotics navigation. For making this project, we need HC SRO4 ultrasonic sensor, which measures echo time to detect distance, and display to see the distance. And we need a buzzer sound when an obstacle is detected. The cost of this project is 950 to 1400. And these are my top 15 projects. And these are basically helpful to understand how Arduino works. And thank you for seeing this video. Support my channel.